Hey, Chris and Constantine from C. Constantine Kitchen Specialist. We're in Slough today. It's a beautiful summer day and we are installing this kitchen. It's not quite yet complete, but by the time the boys will complete the job in a couple of hours time, well, I'm the boss, I'll be home with a bottle of wine probably. So anyway, I didn't want to lose the opportunity to present you this kitchen because I'm quite chuffed with it. There's a bit of a love story between Italians and Germans happening here. What I'm trying to say, these slate panels are from Xylocleaf, which is an Italian designer panel manufacturer. They're really, really lovely. I mean, the texture probably, sorry, the video doesn't really make it justice, but the texture is absolutely gorgeous. They're Teflon coated, so really, really strong panels and very, very good looking as well. The Italians, they come up with these beautiful frames. They are metal frames, very, very sleek, prop aluminium, power coated in a black effects. They do very similar frames in aluminium as well, natural aluminium or brushed, with dark glass. We do have internal lights in the cabinets. Unfortunately, the electrics are not connected just yet because the builder still needs to do some work in here. All the appliances are built in. We do have fridge, freezers, as you would expect. Some nice under-mounted porcelain sink with a Bristol tap, dishwasher built-in bin, and obviously warming drawer with a microwave and a downdraft extractor and a hob. So yeah, Italian panels, Italian frames, German panels, and some German Salice stone. C. Constantine Kitchen Specialist.